welcome back to the Crooked Pigs Barbecue channel. Hope you had a good holidays. It's been a few weeks since we've made a video, but we're back and at 'em. We've made a few good videos we're going to be dropping soon, but we thought we'd give you a quick taste of one of the recipes we like to make this time of year. Being as it's the first of the year and everybody's trying to work on their barbecue bodies and make sure you stay fit in that barbecue medium shirt, we're going to make a keto beef jerky recipe. It's not going to have any sugar in it or minimal sugars, and so it's going to be low carb. It's going to fit on those low carb diets, and it's also just a great jerky recipe. This is what I make go to anytime taking jerky camping or on a trip across the country or whatever. I need some snacks for the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some thinly sliced beef. I already got this marinating, as you can see. It's marinated overnight. I'm going to put it on right now. Thinly sliced beef. I just buy it at Walmart. They have it pre-sliced in their beef case. There, you can buy it anywhere you want, or you can slice it yourself, or you could use some elk or something like that if you wanted to, but I just like to buy beef at the grocery store. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix this with about a half a cup of light soy sauce, a half a cup of dark soy sauce, a half a cup of Worcester sauce, and then you're going to add whatever seasonings you want to taste. I put in some black pepper, I cut up some jalapenos. You could, if you're not worried about carbs, throw in a little soda like some Dr. Pepper or some root beer or some cola. I didn't add any of that today, but it's just jalapenos, some hot sauce, some black pepper, and half a cup of light soy sauce, half a cup of dark soy sauce, and half a cup of Worcester sauce. You're gonna brine it overnight, and then you're gonna put it right on your smoker. We've got our Green Mountain here preheated to 185 degrees. That's where I like to smoke my jerky. And we're just gonna lay it out here thin in one layer. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we're going to try to maximize the square inches of our grill here, so we're going to lay these out real nice and flat and tight in with each other. It doesn't matter if they droop a little bit between the grates, that's okay, but try not to overlap them or they won't dehydrate and smoke the way they should. Now, if you've got an upper rack for your grill too, that's a good time to get that out. Make some more space. I'll show you about how thick that's cut as well. It's about that thick there. It varies a little from package to package, but no need to rinse that brine off. Maybe if you've left it in the brine longer than overnight, you could rinse it a little just to make sure it's not too salty. A lot of people are gonna cook their brine or boil it on the stove and cool it down before they put it over their beef. I don't find there's any need to add that extra step. It comes out just fine regardless. Like I'm gonna have a little extra here, so we'll probably be able to get another batch on another grill here, or wait till this is done and start another batch. But Josh, if you'd step up here and fold that that shelf out for me so I can set this bag on it. Cameo by our cameraman here, Josh. Alright, we're going to try to pack one more piece on here. That's pretty good, no real overlaps here. Alright, now I'm going to get my hands clean up some drips out here, and then we're going to let that smoke on 185 until they start to look like they're dehydrating and drying on the edges. Then we're going to rotate some of them from the hot spots to the cool spots, just to try to get them all done about the same time. And we'll show you what that looks like, and then when we start to pull them off, and we'll taste it for you. We'll be right back. All right, we're back here. The jerky's been going for about an hour and a half. Some of this is done. We're going to go ahead and take some of this off. Some of it needs to get rotated to some hotter spots on the grill. These pieces are all good. That piece could use a little longer. That one's done. just want these to be good and dried out. That piece is done. Rotate those over. We'll move some of these over here to where it's a little warmer on the grill. Flip them all over a little. You can see though, some of that isn't quite done. We're just gonna rotate that a little. And I'll go ahead and rotate the rest of this and we'll be back when it's all done. All right, we're back with a whole batch of jerky here off the grill. There's a few pieces still on that aren't quite ready, but we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. This is the best jerky you'll ever eat though, I promise. Yeah, got a great chew. Better than anything you'll buy in a store. All natural, got real smoke flavor. It's great jerky. I hope you give this a shot at home. Leave us some comments in the comment section below if you like this. Like the video, ring that bell. They'll help us with the algorithm so we can get some more great videos like this to you in the future. And try the jerky, you're gonna like it.